So this is a piece that I've done called The Message. I wrote this quite a few years ago. Um, yeah, and I just love it. So tides are turning all at sea. The lesson, the message is blurry. Tears now bleed. If you don't get it, we will all regret it. All of our needs just out of reach. The message, yeah. Oh, yeah. Touch your ears, they seem hard. Touch your feet, are you flexible? Lay your head on a humble chest. Ponder why we cannot rest in peace. All are we out of touch, out of reach, out of love. All are we flames are raging, run down, living on the edge. The test, control, fear, or be another one. If you don't get it, we will all regret it. All of we bound interlinked. The message. Thank you. Ndando, ndando, ndande, hey, yeah, shundi, ndando, hey, yeah, Nando, Nando, Nande, hey, yes, Shindi, Nando, Shundi, Nando, Nando, Nande, hey, hey, Shundi, Nando, ay, yeah, Nando, Nando, Nande, hey, yes, should be Nando, Nando,